This is sobrang labnaw na iwan.
Hello mga kamag-alak, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, dalawang non-alcoholic beer ang titikman natin. The first one is San Mig Free 0.0 alcohol by volume. The other one is also called 0.0. This one is made by Heineken naman. Paglalabanin natin. Stay tuned until the end of the episode para malaman nyo kung alin dito sa dalawang ito ang mananalo. But before we start, alamin muna natin kung ano ang laman nitong dalawang non-alcoholic beer na to. Ang ingredients niya, it looks like a normal beer. It has water, malt, cereals, hops, flavors, fiber, caramel, citric acid, and lactic acid. Sa kabila naman, the ingredients are water, barley, malt, natural flavoring, hop extract. Mas simple ang ingredients nitong Heineken. Okay, let's see. Unahin natin itong San Mig Free. Let's look at the color. Alright, now para makumpara natin, buksan din natin yung Heineken. First of all, both of them, they look like beer. Ibig sabihin yung kulay nila at saka yung head, yung bula sa ibabaw nung pinupur, it looks like beer. Parehong mabula, pero napapansin ko parang mas mabilis na wala yung head or yung bula nitong San Mig Free. Ito namang Heineken 0.0, parang mas matagal naglinger yung bula niya. The color is almost exactly the same, but I'm noticing a little bit of parang mas yellow golden itong Heineken than San Mig Free. Amuyin muna natin kung amoy beer siya. Okay lang, amoy beer yung San Mig Free, and then the other one. Pareho silang faint ang amoy. The smell of beer, nandun naman siya. I can smell it, but I know it's not as good as the real thing. The Heineken 0.0 is a little bit sweeter. Parang mas matamis ang amoy niya. Dito sa San Mig Free, I'm smelling a bit of a chemical on it. Hindi ko ma-distinguish kung anong amoy siya, but there's something there. Okay, let's go. Tikman na natin. Unahin natin itong San Mig Free. First impression, I can feel and I can taste some sort of bitterness sa lalamunan. Pero it's weird kasi nalalasahan ko yung ingredients ng beer. I think that's hops, but I'm not feeling the fizz or the sensation of the alcohol in my throat or in my mouth. Lasang beer naman, pero it's kinda weird nga lang. And then now let's see itong Heineken 0.0. Okay, the bitterness of this Heineken is a little bit lower, and I'm sensing mas meron siyang citrusy feeling. But if you ask me, alin dito sa dalawang to ang merong mas lasang beer, I would say etong San Mig Free. Mas lamang yung bitterness kaysa dito sa Heineken. Now when it comes to mouthfeel, they're both very weak. Ang light lang niya sa bibig. After a while, parang feeling ko parang umiinom na lang ako ng fruit juice, ng apple juice. Hindi ko na ma-feel na I'm drinking beer. Excuse me. Now, when it comes to the finish of these two beers, it's very weak. After swallowing the beers, pareho silang, the finish is wala na, non-existent na, nag-disappear na agad. Sobrang light kung meron man. Alright, let's rate it overall. I'm gonna try to rate these two non-alcoholic beers. Sino ang panalo dito sa dalawang to? But before we give our rating, do me a favor. Hit the like button down below. At kung natikman nyo na tong San Mig Free at itong Heineken 0, let me know down in the comments. Now, let's rate them one by one. First of all, yung kulay. I like the color of San Mig Free a little bit better kasi mas light at mas yellowish. Itong Heineken, itong San Mig Free, it's a little bit darker, and I'm always a fan of dark beers. So, ibibigay ko yung color dito sa San Mig Free. But when it comes to carbonation and the overall appearance, meaning yung head niya mas mataas at mas matagal na wala, at yung mga bula niya parang mas normal na beer, I will give it to Heineken. Next is the aroma. To be honest, pareho silang hindi ko nagustuhan yung amoy. Pwedeng mas sweet itong Heineken at parang may konting chemical sensation itong San Mig Free. Pero none of them stood out for me. Pareho silang okay lang, wala lang. So I wouldn't give a point to any of them. Now the flavor, and I will judge the flavor via the bitterness, if I can taste the hops, or if I can taste the pagka-beer niya. Lasa ba siyang beer? I will give it to San Mig Free. Mas lasa siyang beer because mas nalalasahan ko yung bitterness sa lalamunan. So I will give that point to San Mig Free. Okay, next is mouthfeel. Pareho silang weak. Parehong light yung mouthfeel niya. But I will probably give Heineken a little bit of an advantage because mas nafe-feel ko din yung konting sensation ng fizz sa bibig. Kasi mas marami yata siyang bula than San Mig Free. So I will give the mouthfeel to Heineken 0.0. And lastly is the finish of these beers. Wala akong ma-feel. I like the finish of my beers na strong sa lalamunan. But sadly and unfortunately, itong dalawang to, pareho silang weak. Because of that, I will give the finish to neither of them. Walang points pareho. I'm sorry San Mig Free and I'm sorry Heineken 0.0. Medyo mababa ang rating ko sa inyong dalawa. But before I give my final verdict, ipatikim muna natin sa asawa ko.
Ba't ganun yung amoy?
Let's see what she has to say about these non-alcoholic beers.
Ang tabang, pagkatabang. May asim, pero konti lang. Parang matabang na apple juice.
Which one do you prefer? This is San Mig.
Yung Heineken.
You prefer Heineken than San Mig. Why?
Because parang mas malapit sa lasang beer yung yung isa.
This one?
Yeah.
Heineken.
Yeah, kasi dito.
This one?
This is sobrang labnaw na iwan.
Is this something that you will drink regularly?
Nope. Neither.
Neither of them. So you're just choosing this Heineken 0.0 just because you have to choose one.
Yes, sabi mo, pumili
But
ako.
did you like it?
Not so much.
Not so much. What about this one? Did you like it?
No,
No, not at all.
not at all.
So ayun na nga, as expected, hindi niya nagustuhan ang beer na walang alcohol. Okay, so as you can see, tabla, pantay ang laban. Each of them has 2 points. So now, what it all comes down to is my overall preference. At the end of the day, sino man ang manalo dito, please note that this is just my personal opinion and my personal taste. Yun lang ang ginagamit ko pag-judge dito sa dalawang beer na to. And in this decision, my bias is going to show. Of course, because I will always go for the Pinoy beer, San Mig Free. Dahil gawang Pilipino yan, gawa ng San Miguel beer. So therefore, I will make this one my winner. Because in this channel, I will always support the local ones, the Filipino beer. I know it's very, very subjective to say that, but it is what it is. That's my preference. And for me, San Mig Free is the winner. And kung gusto nyong mapanood naman yung pinakamalakas na beer, Red Horse Super, 10% alcohol by volume, click right here. See you in that episode. Cheers!